Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace engine support on a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a complete socket set. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on a level surface before beginning any work. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, take a moment to locate all the engine mounts that require replacement. Now, let's remove the old mounts. Use your floor jack with a wood block to gently support the engine from underneath, applying just enough pressure to take the weight. Carefully unbolt each engine mount, first from the engine and then from the chassis. Pay close attention to how each mount is oriented before you remove it. Also, inspect nearby components for any signs of wear or damage. With the old mounts out, it's time to install the new ones. Carefully position each new engine mount, ensuring it's in the exact same orientation as the one you removed. Hand tighten all the bolts first to ensure proper threading. Then, consult your vehicle's service manual for the precise torque specifications for each bolt. Correct alignment is crucial to prevent future vibrations and ensure a smooth ride. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen carefully for any unusual vibrations or noises. Let it run for a few minutes. Next, take your Corolla for a short test drive, paying attention to how it feels. After the drive, double-check all the engine mount bolts to ensure they are still securely tightened. Congratulations on a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.